Do you want to check whether your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra's mobile network is working properly? The built-in phone diagnostic tool can quickly test your mobile network and display its current network mode. Let me show you how. First, open Settings, scroll down and tap Device Care. Scroll down the screen. Under the Additional Care section, tap Diagnostic. Then tap Phone Diagnostic. Scroll down the screen. Here, tap Mobile Network. If this is your first time running the diagnostic, the test starts automatically. If you have already tested it before, you will see the previous result. Simply tap Test again to run a new test. Your phone will now check the mobile network. Once the test is complete, the result will be displayed. If everything is working properly, you will see the status normal. Here, you will also see your current network mode. For example, mine is 5G preferred. Below that, Samsung explained that the type of mobile network you can access may vary depending on your mobile plan. You can also check or change your network mode in the mobile network setting. At the bottom, you will also find a request a repair button. If you ever experience a mobile network related issue, you can tap it and follow the on-screen instruction to begin the repair process. And that's how you check your mobile network using phone diagnostic on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.